Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a Snapchat account permanently. So you might be done with Snapchat or you just have some burner account that you want to get rid of. I'll show you how to delete it. So first, when you're on Snapchat, click on your profile picture in the top left. Once you are here, click on the settings icon in the top right. Now scroll down until you find delete account. It should be near the bottom. Right here. And click on it. Once you click on it, you should be taken to a Snapchat website, and you just need to put in your password and then you can delete it. As you can see here, it says that you can delete your account, but if you log in the next 30 days, it will recover it. So you have 30 days to change your choice. So yeah, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Add me on Snapchat if you want to. It's Tubasa Tech. And yeah, leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll see you guys next time.